Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing great. You're welcome to Omo Healthy Living. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. In today's video, I'm going to present one of my favorite salads to you. This salad is delicious, refreshing, and very healthy. On top of all of this, it's very simple to make with rewarding results. I'm not going to dwell on the health benefits of this salad too much because we have already covered the health benefits of most of the ingredients we are going to be using in my previous video. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you how to combine the ingredients together and make this amazing salad. I'm going to introduce the ingredients and show you the method for making this salad as the video goes on. So here are the ingredients that we are going to be using. 2 large sized pieces of avocado, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 large cucumber. We are also going to be using the following leaves: basil leaves, mint, and parsley. I've already washed my vegetables thoroughly, so let's get started. Here is the parsley, cucumber, and red onion. I'm going to slice the ingredients now. Make sure when you are choosing your vegetables, you go for the most green, crunchy ones, so you can take full advantage of all the nutrients and benefits. For example, the crunchy noise this celery is making is what you should go for. Make sure to cut the cucumber into cubes. Here are all the vegetables. They are all well chopped and looking nice. Now that I have finished slicing all of the ingredients, I'm going to mix everything together in a salad bowl and then season it. I'm adding the parsley, basil leaves, and mint now to improve the taste of the salad. I'm going to pour out the liquid from the tuna because I don't need it. I will be using 2 cans of tuna. You can use any tuna of your choice. Sardines also work great as an alternative. I'm using salt to taste, chili flakes, black pepper, and cayenne pepper as seasonings. This salad is naturally creamy and super easy to make. It's also healthy, light, and refreshing, making it fit for use as a side dish or on its own. I'm going to be eating my own on its own. I also have a lime and olive oil that I will be using as dressings. In conclusion, if you love tuna and you love avocado, then you are going to love this avocado tuna salad. Tuna salad is already very delicious, but the addition of avocado and these other ingredients deeply enhance the flavor and provide a lot of health benefits. In addition to this, the protein and fiber present in this salad will help you feel more full with less food, preventing you from intaking unneeded calories. I hope you find the information in this video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up to enable me to make more health related content. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.